Hi guys, it's Mary McIntyre. I've not shown my face on here for a while, so I thought I'd pop on and say hello. First of all, thank you so much for the really lovely comments that I've had on my latest project. I edited that video while I was away on holiday, but it didn't go live till I'd got back. So, but yeah, I love how this turned out. Still haven't polished the top and top coated, but I'll get around to that. So this week I was hoping to have another craft video for you because I have so many things that I want to do for kind of autumn Halloween type stuff, but work has just been insane again. I got home from holiday at like 9 p.m. on Saturday, and Sunday night I ended up working till 2 a.m. like just straight into hitting the ground running. So I just hopefully next week will be a little bit calmer once I get back from the astronomy conference I'm speaking at this weekend. I do have a video this week and it's a bit different than normal. I placed an order for a bunch of Halloween autumn themed moulds from Shein. I don't normally order from those sorts of companies, but I wanted to have a look at some moulds. They were really reasonable prices. They arrived pretty quickly, so I'm going to get these out and show you what I have. So what way shall I point my camera? I don't normally do unboxings. I've got no idea whether to just hold them up and show you here or whether to point the camera down. It's going to be easier if I point the camera down. Okay. Yeah, so I'll switch the camera angle and show you what I ordered. Okay, what have we got first? Okay, yeah, I've got two of these. These are... I'm just going to open one. But these are lidded pumpkin pots. So I got two of them because they're adorable, and yeah, they've got a nice little lid to go on the top of them. It's a lidded pumpkin pot. There's not really much else I can say about it. So it's not too big. It would be small LED candle size, or you could use real candles if you made them out of eco. But yeah, kind of decent hand palm size. So they're quite cute. I can imagine I'm going to have significantly more pumpkin pots by the end of this season than I already do. What else have we got? Oh yeah, this is adorable. This is a 3-piece mould, and it's basically a wall-mounted bat tea light holder, I think. I think it's the tea light. So you've got the bat with some moon and star kind of embossing in there. You've got this little thing that kind of connects the two, and then that's the plate part there, and a tea light would sit in here. As always, don't put naked flames against a wall, just not sensible, so I will only use LEDs if this is wall mounted. Also resin, don't put naked flames next to resin, but battery LEDs all the way. We have cats, so there's no way I can have naked flames around. So yeah, that's adorable. I just couldn't resist that. It's I love bats. What's this? Okay, yeah, they're solid pumpkins with a stalk in the bottom. They don't have lids, they're just literal pumpkin moulds. Yeah, 3 different sizes. I think they'll be quite cute as well, so they'd be good in eco or resin. Really, really adorable. We are going to have significantly more pumpkins in this house by the end of this season. What have we got here? Oh yeah, I've wanted one of these for a really long time. It's a coffin trinket tray. So that's the lid, that's the coffin. So it's a kind of lidded trinket box, and that would sit on top. So oh no, there's a hole in this. Look, it's like either there was a fault in the original or that's been snipped somehow. Oh, that's so annoying, because this is going to have to be filled to the top, otherwise it won't have a base. I guess I can mix up some silicone and try to do a bit of a plug on that. That's really annoying. This arrived like a couple of days before we went on holiday, and I've only just got around to looking at these properly, so it's probably too late to get that sorted. That's really annoying. I'll have to see if I can fudge something to fix that. I know these moulds are inexpensive, but you don't expect them to have literal holes in them. That's not great. Oh, I ordered some white mica powder. I needed some extra silver white mica pigment. I think everything else, variations on a theme. So ever since I saw Claire's Crafty Corner make her autumn leaves earrings, I've really wanted to have a go at that. So I've ordered a whole bunch. I think that one came with one of the pumpkin pots. So that's kind of like maple leaf. I've got different oak leaves and beech leaves. That one, I got 2 of those. Just thinking if I was, they're very shallow these, so they'd be really good for polymer clay, which is what Claire did. And I just loved that project so much. So I thought it'd be good to do those. Some more maple leaves. These are really shallow, and the leaves in this one are absolutely tiny. I don't want to open it because I'm not using it instantly, but you can see how small some of those are, like the size of my thumbnail. So if I do those in resin, I'm going to have to do it while the resin is very fluid. Oh my god, look how tiny that one is. That's so small. So yeah, they're really small. I don't know what I'll do with those super tiny ones, but the other ones would certainly make nice earrings. So I love autumn leaves. I've always loved autumn leaves, even though the colours of autumn are not necessarily my vibe. I love autumn. It's my favourite time of year, and just the thought of using some of my autumnal mica powders on top of polymer. When I did my kind of steampunk-esque project earlier in the year, was it this year or last year? I can't even remember. I really loved how the polymer clay looked when you brushed it with some of the metallic micas. So I have some colour shifting mica, I've got some plain coloured non-colour shifting ones, and I think with resin I could brush the mould with those pigments and cast them in resin. With polymer I would probably cast them first and then brush with mica before baking. So yeah, they'll be super adorable. Yeah, the chances of me making these and having them ready to sell by the time we get through autumn, very slim, to be honest. Should be making Halloween stuff in like April if you're going to sell it, but I just haven't had time. But I love these, and I think it would be nice to have a pair of autumn leaf earrings for myself and probably wear them all year round. But yeah, I really like those. And it'd actually be nice in summer colours as well. You don't have to do leaves in autumn colours. You could easily make some leaves in nice green colours, different shades of green. So yeah, kind of flower fairy vibe with those. And actually you could cast these and put them in trinket trays and have them actually embedded in the resin. That would look really nice too. So yeah, there's a whole load of stuff you could do with these. I love autumn leaves, so I just wanted to get a few of those. It's not a massive haul by any stretch, but really gutted about that coffin tray. I'm going to have to think about how I'm going to be able to fix that, because there's no way that I'm going to be able to pour resin in there without it pouring everywhere. And masking tape doesn't stick to silicone, so I'm going to have to, I don't know what to do about that, to be honest. Let me know if you've got any ideas. I will contact Shein, but I suspect I've left it too late. I've had the package over a week, probably 2 weeks actually now. It's Thursday. But anyway, I'm excited for using these. I can't wait to just make some pumpkins. I'm going to have a go with Eco. I've not got on awfully well with Eco so far, so I've got a lot still to learn. But I think Eco Pour would be great for the lidded pots, particularly. It'd be good for these as well, but I think resin with some translucence in it would look really nice with that as well. I like how shiny they do have texture. I can't tell how shiny the finish is, but obviously the Eco stuff is very matte, and I really don't like the feel of the sealer that I've put on the stuff I've made so far. But yeah, I'm looking forward to having a play. plenty of opportunities here, so hopefully I'll be able to cram in using all of these moulds at least once before we get past spooky season and heading towards kind of winter and Christmas stuff. So short video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I bought. Let me know what colours you use in these projects. Obviously the go-to would be orange, and I do have some beautiful Vista liquid orange pigment that I've had for 2 years. I really need to use it up, so I can use that. I have loads of micas that I could brush the inside of these moulds with, or I could put dried stuff in them. The possibilities are honestly endless, but yeah, let me know what you do and how you would use these leaf moulds. Hopefully next week I will have an actual craft video for you, so make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you then. Take care, bye for now.